Hello everyone, how are you today? Now, I want to explain about vegetables, fruit, and meat. Before that, let me to introduce myself. My name is Gede Famatagori Cahya. I am number 32 and I'm from 4D MVP class. Let's start. Vegetable. Vegetables are all types of plants that we consume. Whether taken from roots, stems, leaves, seeds, flowers, or other parts used to be processed into food. Vegetables are a general term for foodstuff of plant origin which usually contain high water content and are consumed fresh or after minimal processing in general. Vegetables contain more starch, carbohydrates, especially vegetables that consume from roots. Green vegetables contain less sugar than fruit set vegetables, and leaf vegetables contain more vitamins, water, and minerals. This group of vegetables crops can be studied according to their grouping based on the part that is harvested on consuming, such as fruit vegetables, leaf vegetables, shoot vegetables, root vegetables. Fruit vegetables such as chili, tomato, eggplant, cucumber, essence. Leaf vegetables such as mustard greens, spinach, kale, essence. Shoot vegetables such as bamboo shoots, asparagus. Root vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, beets, radishes, essence. Fruit. The definition or understanding of fruit in general is one part of a plant or tree that is fleshy and can be eaten as food that can provide a filling, healthy, and pleasant effects. From the point of view of botany, fruit can be interpreted as an organic structure in flowering plants, which is a future development of the ovary which is used as a place to store in the result of photosynthesis carried out in the leaves. Usually, the fruit is also used as a container to wrap and protect the seeds so that the plant can carry out the regeneration process. Three basic types of fruit: there is single fruit, double fruit, and compound fruit. Single fruit is a fruit formed from one flower with one ovary containing one or more seeds. Double fruit is a fruit formed from one flower that has many ovules. Its ovule grows into a spirated fruit, but eventually becomes a collection of fruit that looks like one fruit. For example, sorghum. Compound fruit is a fruit that is formed from compounding traits. Therefore, this fruit comes from many flowers and many ovules, which in the end seem to be one fruit. For example, pineapple. Meat. Meat is the soft part of the animal that is wrapped in skin and attached to the bones that become food. Meat is composed mostly of muscle tissues plus the fat attached to it, veins and cartilage. There are many types of animals that can be consumed by humans. Each animal has a different taste, texture, and content in their meat. Generally, in addition to the taste, nutrient content and cholesterol levels are also the reason for choosing meat by many people. Five types of meat and their respective contents is like fish meat. Fish is arguably the best type of meat. The protein content in fish is very high. In addition, there are also essential amino acids and omega-3, which are very good for the development of the body and brain. In addition, this is the type of meat that is the lowest in fat and cholesterol. Chicken. Chicken can be the best alternative for those of you who don't like fish but have trouble eating red meat. Chicken contains a lot of B vitamins, minerals, and selenium. However, avoid consuming too much chicken, especially on the skin, because it can increase the risk of heart disease. Beef. This type of meat is the most popular all over the world. Beef is rich in animal protein and iron, which cannot be found in the other types of food. However, beef has high cholesterol and saturated fat levels, which are not good for the heart. The improper cooking process of beef can also cause various diseases. Good meat. Besides being rich in protein and iron, meat is a quite pungent smells can also help the process of absorption of vegetable protein. However, the cholesterol in goat meat is among the highest and contains absolutely no fiber. Pork is quite popular in world even though it is strictly prohibited of Muslim to consume it. Pork contains various types of vitamins, iron, and minerals such as phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and selenium. That's all my video explanation about vegetables, fruit, and meat. Thank you very much for your attention and see you. Goodbye.